Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Who, whom, whose are used for people and sometimes other living things like pets. Which is used for non-living things. That is used for living and non-living things and can be substituted for which or who. When is used for times. Where is used for locations. And why is used for reasons. Leaving out relative pronouns. You can leave out that, who, or which when they are the object, the person or thing not doing the action, of the relative clause. The relative pronoun can't be left out if it's the subject of the clause. Who. Who is used about people or sometimes pets. For example, they're the people who bought the house for sale on the corner. Who can be left out when it's the object of the clause. For example, he's the man who you saw leaving the store. Or, he's the man you saw leaving the store. Whose, that, or which, and when. Whose is used about people to show a relationship or possession. For example, they're the families whose houses were destroyed. That or which are used about things. For example, it's the painting that hangs in the hallway. When is used for times. For example, I'm trying to arrange the day when I leave for vacation. Where and why. Where is used for places. For example, she just moved back to Chicago, where her family is from. Why can usually only be used after the noun reason. For example, her boss is the reason why she quit her job.